Hi everyone and welcome back to our today's new tutorial topic. So today I am explaining for the basic of Python programming. So either you are beginner or just brushing up, we'll cover this fundamental concept for the variable, loops and the function. So now let's get started. In this journey, I'm just starting for the example for variables in PHP. So first of all, let's talk about the variable. So in Python, the variables are used to store data. They can hold the different types of data like numbers, string, or even more complex structure. Okay. So now let's try. So you can see here. First of all, I am used for in this variable. So first type the variable is a name and is equal to. So now I'm used for here. The name is a I'm just type for happy. Okay. And then here I'm used for the another variable, it's the age for 26. Next I'm used for the another variable, it's the height and is equal to 5.6. That's why it is perfect. And now I'm used for the output function for print, and this inside I'm create a formatted output. So first of all, I'm defined for the name, and then a square bracket instead I'm declare the first is the name variable. And next I'm declare for in this age, and then declare for this age variable. And also here I'm just type for it's a height. Okay, and then I'm just declare for in this the height the variable. That means is properly created. And in this example here is a three variables. So first is the name, age, and height. Name is whole string, is hold on integer, and the height hold a here a floating point number. Okay, it's the completely now. And now just I am select all and set it properly and just click in these run buttons. Okay, so as you can see here, see the output. So first is the print for the name for happy, age is 25, and the height for 5.6. That means it's properly done. Okay, so let's stop here and create the loops in PHP. So here the loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. Python has different types of loops, but the most common one is the for loop. Okay, so now let's see in this example. So you can see here, I'm just create for the another new code. So here I'm just remove for this one. So first of all, here I'm define for the variables name is it fruits. And in this inside I'm create for the sound fruit. So first I'm use for the apple. And secondly, here I'm type for it's a orange, and third fruits here I'm use for the blueberry. Okay, so you can understand. And now I'm just create for the properly in the for loop, and this inside I'm simply typing this fruit in the proper declare for this simple fruits. Okay, so if your IT is a perfect and if our is a fruits. And you can see here I'm just switch for the simple okay, so it's a fruit and then use for in the simple this printf. And first of all here, sorry, I'm just remove for this and again created one. So first of all here I'm use for in the simple the for loop, and here so here first of all I'm type for is a for loop, and first I'm type for it's a simple these fruits. Okay, and use for in this in and again type for this fruits is properly. And then I use for here the properly this print function, and in this inside I'm just print for the formatted output. So I type for here that I like, and then use for this curly brackets, and in this inside I'm declare for only this fruit. That means in this the list of fruit, and the for is iterate over is item in the list. And in the code inside the loop is executed for every time. Okay. You can see here the properly create, and now just I'm saving this all code and just I'm click on in this run. So you can see here you can properly see the output. So first you can print for I like apple, I like orange, and I like blueberry. Okay. So I hope you understand it in this simple example. And next topic here I'm also create the function. Okay. So functions allow you to encapsulate code into the reusable block. You can define a function to perform a specific task and then call it whenever you need it. Okay. So now we create for the simple function. So you can see here I'm just remove for in this all code. So first of all here I'm define the function is date and type is a grade. And the same set I'm declare for here the name in this variable. And now just I'm use for here the return statement. And again just here I'm print for the output. So here I'm type for is a hello. Then use this curly brackets inside I'm defined for it's a simple in this name. Okay. And next step here I'm just type for it's a message and it's equal to type for the simple in this grade. And in this inside I'm type for the username is Alice. And then you use the print function and this interim declare for this message. Okay. That means just properly define a function and call a grade that take a name as a parameter and return a grading message. And then call the function with the argument for Alice. And here is a indirect. Okay, so you can understand. I'm just going to save this code again. And here I'm just click on in this run. So as you can see here is a properly set output for hello Alice. Okay. So I hope you're understanding this today's tutorial topic. So now that's a quick overview of basic Python programming concept. And here in forward properly variables, loops, and the functions. The three building blocks that you will use in almost every Python program. So if you find this tutorial helpful, so I hope you understand properly. So now thanks for watching and